put your mind here as lawyers, typically offered by a cloud service provider that provides remote access to off-premises virtual or physical servers and associated resources for a monthly subscription or a usage-based price. Backup copies once each month upon notice from them. Don't do it once each month. Please, backup should be every day. Okay. Don't you have backup for your WhatsApp messages every day? Similarly, like that for those website hosting as well. Very badly needed. Say today, your company created a lot of data, okay? And your backup is not there. God, you're going to lose that. Similarly, it's for the website hosting also. The website developer has done a lot of work today and it is not backed up, and tomorrow, for God's sake, something went wrong, he's going to lose all of that data. There's no backup to come back. Very important. Let's move ahead. This is how it looks like. You see, backup copies is where I like it that they have mentioned about backup copies here. Sakib, can you carry on for a minute? I'll just be back.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. So yes, as Rachna was saying, backup is genuinely very important. This we have picked up from a sample clause, and this says that it shouldn't be done more than once each month. And I think that would differ from, the requirements of the organization. But yes, it should be done more frequently than that, since basically backup is what these kind of organizations rely upon. And this is the full website hosting clause that we have here. The developer agrees at company's option to maintain company's website on developer's web server on a month-to-month basis and to make maintenance modifications and all of those stuff. So yes, Rachna, you can take it.
Thank you. So these backup copies, I've told you guys, given you the example of WhatsApp messages, and I've told you how it can be so crashing if you don't have a backup. Okay, let's move ahead. The sample clauses, you guys can read it. Indemnity, broad versus targeted. You guys understand the meaning of indemnity, right? It is protecting yourself. Limitation is liabilities, like capping your liability. And indemnity is like you do something wrong, you tell me that, okay, I'm going to protect you. And it can happen when there are third parties involved. And in the world of technologies, undisputedly, I should say it's not ruled out at all that there cannot be, there should be a clause of indemnity. If you don't, it's quite a concern. If I see a technology contract not containing of an indemnity clause, no, scary for me. Yeah, so just read this. Customers often seek broad form indemnities from developers. Developers usually resist broad form of indemnity in favor of developers will often indemnify a customer for third-party IPR infringement claims. This indemnity will often be subject to exclusions and limitations and provided as a customer's sole and exclusive remedy for these issues. Developers may seek reciprocal indemnification on similar issues from the client. So do you understand? If I'm giving you the work to develop my website, I might look for more indemnification. You as a developer might not be interested in giving me those large indemnifications. Whereas it can be on the grounds of IPR. In IPR, we have spoken third party. If somebody tries to infringe my IPR, I will seek it from you, right? And IPR is the whole issue here. Customers often require developers to maintain insurance. A website developer should maintain insurance regardless of customer requirements. Do you see how well it is put on the side of the website developer? In some instances, certain insurance is mandated by applicable law. Very important to note that. Guys, there are certain contracts which require insurances. I think one thing which I know of is ships. These big ships or vessels which are there in the oceans, they have insurances, okay? Similarly. So there may be some websites which have to deal with insurances. They have to comply because it is under the law. Let's move ahead. Termination. Okay. So term is the period. Termination is How, if you want to remove somebody, how would you like to terminate them? How would you like to remove them? So mention your term very clearly. Have it under your, keep it on renewal mode, not auto renewal mode. And termination, describe good three-tier period. That's what I like, a three-tier strategy, where I like to put in a notice period, I like to put in a cure period, and then I would like to call for a breach or for no reason. That's what the termination and term clause is.